Michel Gauquelin found no evidence of planetary positions in the zodiac correlating with professional eminence. He did, however, note a couple of cases where the moon showed what he considered to be unusual but still random deviations from the mean, from the expected mean. So I'd like to show those to you now, and hopefully you can see that they are a long way from being random. Two professions, scientists and famous writers. In both cases we have two sharp and large amplitude peaks in opposing positions, for writers in sectors 6, 7 and 24, 25, and for scientists 8, 9, 26, 27. The 36 divisions are divisions of the zodiac, so that means 3 divisions is one zodiac sign. Okay, now where researchers have discovered some evidence of lunar effects on human behavior or physiology or sociology, these effects, while contradictory, have generally been found in relation to the 29.5 year a day lunation cycle. Let's just now look at exactly the same data in that cycle. And we see here, first of all, the amplitude is only about 20%, and we have a scattering of rather amorphous looking peaks. Right, number 2, longevity is a topic of current interest, and it's independent of professional eminence, applies to ordinary people. Several groups of researchers have discovered that human longevity is greater at the troughs of the 11-year sunspot cycle, when people are born at the troughs of the 11-year sunspot cycle, and correspondingly less at the peaks. However, these studies have only used data collected on a monthly basis, so they've not been able, or maybe interested, to investigate the 27-day cycle. In the graphs number 3 there, this is data collected by Professor Muller and Menzer, which was later studied by Sweber et al. In a completely different way. We can see that there seems to be a kind of frontier at life of 50, length of life of 50 years. Those who lived longer had a distribution at birth of their, at death rather, of the moon in the zodiac, showing 4 very sharp peaks in almost a perfect square, cross pattern, and large amplitude, 60–70%. Those who died younger have on the left-hand side possibly a rather broad second harmonic, nothing comparable. All right, important to look at other samples, other data sources. Here, a collection by Michel Gauquelin in Paris, ordinary people, and I've taken here the kind of segment of people who died within the age range of 40 to 60 years. At their deaths, on the right-hand side, the moon was distributed in this way, with 2 peaks that are quite close to being 90 degrees apart. And on the left, their births were also showed a pattern, this time 2 more or less opposing peaks. I've extended this study to a group of mathematicians. This is publicly available data at St Andrews University in Scotland, and also in progress US members of Congress. So far I've covered 2,000 out of the 10,000 that are in that collection. Right, I have to stop now, I think, and I hope that the data that will accompany this this talk will help to explain what I haven't had time to explain. So many thanks for your attention, and bye for now.